A string trimmer, also known as a weed whacker, is a tool that uses a flexible filament to cut grass. Invented by George Ballas of Houston, Texas in the early 70s, the idea was conceived while watching the cleaning brushes in a car wash. Those brushes in fact scored a car's finish. The damage was insidious, caused by a repeated use over time, much like the damage caused by a power trimmer to your posts. With the weed whacker being a staple in modern-day landscaping, the engineering team at Fence Armor got to work, determined to create a strong North American-made solution. The goal was to provide a simple, quality-engineered product at a modest price. It needed to work for all types and sizes of post. It needed to be strong and long-lasting, and it needed to look great. Every detail was considered. Fence Armor is made of galvanized steel, not aluminum or plastic, as they are too soft and fallible. Even the design of the fastener holes allowed for expansion and contraction of the post over time. The patented design even encompasses a perfectly engineered corner radii, which increases its strength while also decreasing breakage of your trimmer line. Enhance the beauty of your gardenscapes and prolong the life of your fences. Fence Armor is the protection you need and the brand you trust. Fence Armor, the best defense for your fence.